Welcome to our discussion on a crucial aspect of maintenance and reliability for any business or operation, corrective maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're going to explore the what, why, and how of corrective maintenance. You'll learn about its role in restoring faulty systems, its benefits, and how it differs from other types of maintenance, such as breakdown or reactive maintenance. Let's discover how this can be a game changer for your maintenance team. Corrective maintenance is a type of maintenance task that's performed to fix and repair faulty systems and equipment. The main goal here is to restore systems that have broken down. You might also hear it referred to as breakdown or reactive maintenance. So, how do we identify the need for corrective maintenance? It's typically initiated when an additional problem is discovered during a separate work order. For instance, if a maintenance technician spots an issue while doing an emergency repair, during a routine inspection, or while conducting preventive maintenance, that issue can turn into a corrective maintenance order. This task is then planned and scheduled for a future time. During the execution of corrective maintenance work, the asset is repaired, restored, or replaced as needed. Now let's look at some examples of corrective maintenance. It can be performed on a wide variety of equipment, systems, and processes. For instance, a technician might be performing preventive maintenance on a production line and notices significant wear on a critical part or component. A corrective maintenance order can then be initiated to repair or restore that part within the next month. Or, a technician responds to an emergency heating system repair in the middle of winter and notices partially clogged or dirty filters. This can trigger a corrective maintenance request to clean or replace filters in the near future to improve efficiency and prevent further heat loss. Even in public works, while performing routine roadway repairs, a technician may notice some signage damage from a recent storm. A corrective maintenance order to restore that signage can be entered so the work is performed at a later date. So what are the benefits of corrective maintenance? The focus of corrective maintenance is to restore an asset so it can function properly and efficiently, and there are many benefits to this. It can reduce emergency maintenance orders, increase employee safety, reduce service interruptions, extend asset lifetime, optimize resource planning, and even decrease downtime in some cases. Corrective maintenance plays an important role within the scope of maintenance services in a business, residential complex, or factory setting. Technicians who can find and identify potential problems before they become emergencies can save the company a great deal of money. To maximize the benefits of corrective maintenance, companies need to provide training and education to maintenance technicians and supervisors about what types of things to look for while they are providing preventive or emergency maintenance services. Organizations may also want to create a maintenance checklist of components that technicians can visually check. Corrective maintenance is not just about restoring a piece of equipment to optimal functionality, it also provides an excellent opportunity to boost reliability. Some assets in a facility will be monitored on a condition basis and not necessarily maintained on a particular time-based schedule. If a corrective maintenance order is issued as a result of a failure mode trigger, it's important to take the opportunity to inspect potential root causes for the failure in the first place. Like any maintenance program, corrective maintenance has its advantages and disadvantages. It's important to consider the pros and cons when implementing corrective maintenance in order to optimize your overall production and efficiency. On the plus side, corrective maintenance is focused on repairing or restoring an asset when it fails. It requires very little in terms of labor, cost, and planning to implement. On the downside, in cases where a failure can significantly affect production, employee safety, or environmental impact, solely relying on corrective maintenance can result in expensive and dangerous long-term problems. Since corrective maintenance is often synonymous with reactive maintenance, it makes sense that organizations would be looking for ways to reduce the number of corrective maintenance orders. Some ideas on how to reduce corrective maintenance orders at your company include investing in the right technology, investing in your team, training your staff to use tools, automating work order delegation, prioritizing and scheduling effectively, providing the backstory, stocking essential tools and equipment, and taking advantage of inspection opportunities. Now, you might be wondering what the difference is between corrective and breakdown maintenance. Both work with equipment that is faulty, less than optimized, and/or broken. However, the two terms are not necessarily the same thing. The biggest difference is that breakdown maintenance works on equipment that is non-operational. Corrective maintenance takes place on equipment that is still functioning to some extent but will not function at optimal capacity without the maintenance being performed. In conclusion, corrective maintenance is an important component of a company's overall maintenance program. It's critical to understand when corrective maintenance is beneficial and when it leads to inefficiencies, downtime, and other productivity losses. The key takeaway for maintenance teams is to use solid maintenance data and analysis to pinpoint those areas where corrective maintenance can be used effectively, and when they should be a stepping stone for more preventive and predictive maintenance initiatives. Thank you for watching this video on corrective maintenance. We've covered its role in restoring faulty systems, its benefits, and how it differs from other types of maintenance. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. To learn more about our tools and resources to help maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. We appreciate your time and look forward to helping you with your maintenance needs.